welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today I have another sneak peek at my Better Than Black Friday sale. If you haven't heard yet, I'm offering an exclusive early access pass that lets you shop a full day early before the sale is announced to the public. If you want to get first dibs on these amazing deals, make sure to grab your pass. I have it linked right in the description box down below. So let's get into today's sneak peek, and I want to share the Free with 60 that will be available during our Better Than Black Friday sale. So this is Purrs and Cocoa. It's super, super adorable. Once your order qualifies, you'll see this pop into your cart, and our sale starts November 15th. I'm super excited to show you 3 brand new gingerbread ornament dies. These are perfect for creating adorable ornaments, gift tags, or even unique card designs. So I have a sample here to share with you. Here's the first gingerbread ornament design. Isn't it cute? This one has such a classic gingerbread look with all those little details. Perfect for giving your projects that cozy homemade feel. Imagine this on a Christmas tree or even a festive tag. It's just so versatile. You can even stamp in a sentiment right here on the rolling pin. A cute little 2 and then someone's name. This would make a perfect little tag. So your gingerbread measures about 3.5 inches long and about 3 inches wide. So cute little guy. There is a sample on the back so you could kind of figure out how to put that together. It's pretty simple. And these dies were designed by Stacy Tiedemann, and the artwork was designed by My Whimsical Inklings. So let's go ahead and share the second peek. Next up is our second gingerbread ornament die, which adds a bit of whimsy. You could use this one for cards too by layering it up with your favorite holiday papers. It's got just the right amount of detail to make it pop without being too complicated to put together. So it's really super cute with this little tag that you can hang off your rolling pin. It's got a sentiment, cookies, and then the cute little gingerbread that you can put on the front. It does have the sample on the back that you can reference to. And here's our third gingerbread ornament die. This one has a little heart accents, which is perfect for anyone who loves adding a touch of sweetness to their holiday decor. It's ideal for ornaments, but would look amazing as a holiday tag or as a focal point on a card as well. You can also use the cup by itself and use it with other items in your stash. So there's the sample on the back. So let's bring in all 3 of our cute little ornaments. I hope you're excited as I am for these gingerbread dies. Remember, if you want early access to these and the rest of the amazing deals, make sure to grab that early access pass. Again, the link is in the description box for you, and trust me, you won't want to miss out on shopping before the rush. Thanks so much for joining me, and if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss any more sneak peeks leading up to our Better Than Black Friday event. Happy crafting, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys!